Hello, welcome to Module 7 of this 16-week semester. I'd like to begin by reminding you that about the little notation that I have here regarding what stage, what phase of the analytical research report you should be in. At this point, you should be continuing to be in the writing phase. Uh, you may notice over the last couple of weeks that I have limited the amount of assignments, and the reason I do this is to help you have time to work on your report. Okay, this is the hardest part of the report, is the gathering the information and beginning to organize and write it. So I want you to concentrate on that right now while all the information about writing a report, a long report, is fresh in your head. Meanwhile, by the end of this module, you'll meet the Chapter 9 learning objectives stated here on page 7.1. Chapter 9 discusses what influences the makeup of reports relative to length and formality. It discusses the four main ways a short report differs from the long reports, and how to choose an appropriate form for a short report, and then how to adapt the procedures for writing the different types of short reports, including routine operational reports, progress reports, problem-solving reports, and meeting minutes. To meet the Chapter 9 learning objectives, you'll need to complete the following activities and/or assessments. As always, first you want to make sure that you read Chapter 9 Writing Short Reports in your textbook. You can click on either the hyperlink to Chapter 9 PowerPoint or click the next button, which takes you to the Chapter 9 PowerPoint slideshow. And as always, included with the slides, you have a link to click here for a PDF version of the slideshow that's here, as well as clicking here for a PDF version of the slides with my lecture notes. Be sure to download this document to read alongside the PowerPoint. Click the next button to move on to page 7.3. This is the assignment that you have for this module, and it's called Developing a Report Title. So if you recall, I told you were going to have several assignments that are related to your report topic, and this is the next one in the line of those assignments. So now I'm going to help you develop your report title, and the information for learning how to do that is located in Chapter 9. And I've included all of the information here that comes directly from Chapter 9, including as an example based on a title description. Okay, so you will do the same thing with your title, topic title. You're going to determine the who, what, when, where, why, and how in order to construct a title for your report. Okay, you have links to a PDF fillable form to complete this assignment, or a rich text format in case you have problems with the PDF form. On the PDF form, I want you to note that the text boxes allow for multiple lines by giving you a scroll bar to see the information in the box. So as you type, it will automatically create a scroll bar if you go lines more than what the space allows you. So don't worry about that. It should show up for you as well. Make sure that you complete each section according to the directions, and then you'll submit it by the usual way, attaching your assignment file using the guides on how to submit an online assignment. Please let me know if you have any problems or need any clarification on this content. Notice that this assignment also has a grading rubric that goes along with it. Now, this time I will be grading for the proficient level, so take a look at this and use this as criterion. As you can see, there's a big gap, so you have plenty of room here, but I will make very copious notes for feedback if I feel like you haven't met this criteria, each of the criteria as at the proficient level. Okay, clicking the next button brings you to the Chapter 9 review quiz. And as you can see, it's the usual. The deadline due date for this assignment is next Sunday, and it's stated right here under the due date. Make sure you do not wait until the last minute of the due dates to submit your work. As a reminder, the college and Canvas often perform updates and maintenance on Sunday nights, and although it's not supposed to impact the service, I've seen it happen way too many times. Remember, you have early access to the modules, so try to use the weekend before more wisely. Have a great week.